I'm Shantae. I'm the Director of Health Services, and I operate Clover Cares, which is our adult daycare. The adult daycare program is a compassionate, year-round program where we provide services to seniors, medically fragile adults, and veterans. It's definitely a holistic program. That means we look at the entire person, so we attempt to provide them with any service that they would need, whether it's nursing services. We have a dietitian on site who provides nutritious meals. We case manage if they needed housing, as well as activity coordinators who directly work with the participants and ensure that they are participating in the activities that interest them. We are not just here for the participants, but we're here for their entire support system. We really focus on supporting caregivers. We have caregiver support groups, as well as just the opportunity for caregivers to have respite and the opportunity to continue their lives as they care for their loved ones. So the benefits of this program is that participants get the opportunity to remain at home with their loved ones, but there is a safe place for them to go to socialize, interact with each other, and just have that engagement. And the caregivers can relax knowing that their loved ones are in a safe environment. We have a garden and a patio. We also have an exercise room, a computer room, as well as an arts and crafts room. We always have theme parties, so we have a huge Mardi Gras ball. We also play bingo every day. That's their favorite. We provide a unique experience in that we have a lot of supports for all of our participants. If you're interested in learning more about our program or enrolling, you can visit our website or give us a call, and we will set up a tour to see if this is a good fit for you or your loved one.